Hello guys, so welcome to the part 2 of our 2 swimming pool, right? So we will see we have missed any attributes. So go to select, click on missing and missing properties. So we are missing this property, so click over this. We will take this as and go to missing property, assign and S. So it has assign, right? So if you don't assign any, if you have any missing property, you will get an error over here, right? So now we'll go to general material on concrete, assign to view, assign and S. So after that we will go to loading conditions. So in this we won't be taking any seismic or wind. So we'll be considering only dead loads and the water pressures. Nothing but the hydrostatic fluids, right? So I'm going to take the fluids as my load case 2, so we don't need any combinations for this. Go to dead load, add. So here we're gonna add the sulfate, close, assign the sulfate, assign to view, assign it yes. So after that, so we're going to define our loadings, right? So for the go to property, so here we have different types of structures, right? So here we have this. So first we will. So now we have to. So now we will calculate the loading conditions for this. Now go to calculator. So here we have 0.45 into 0.45 into 25. So it is how much? 5.0625. So go to loading, go to dead load, add member weight. So here we're gonna add as minus 5.0625. Click on add. So again now we will calculate about our 25 into 0.45 into 25. So it is how much? Minus 3.9375 on add. So again now we need to add for the beams which are on the x direction. It is 3.0625 minus 3.0625. Gonna add. So after that we will gonna add thickness is 0.3 into 25. 7.5, right? So it is how much? Minus 7.5. Enter. Now close. So this is for our columns. So we have already selected our columns, assigned to selected beams and S. So then after this is for our X Z direction columns. Click on Z. So assign to selected beams, assign and S. So and this for our X direction, right? So assign to selected beams, assign and S. So this is for our what? Slabs. Right, so we go to plate cursor, select the plates. So we can say assign to view, it will automatically assign, right? So if we cut like this, so it will be decreased. So we have done our loading part, right? So now we will add the hydrostatic pressure in our swimming pool, right? Go to add. So take the plate. So here we're going to take the hydrostatic. So we're going to select the plates. Take the plate cursor. So we're going to select. So right. So I'm going to select this side plates on. Okay. rotate like this, and I'm going to select this. Okay, on OK. So after that, it's going to be taken as, so this is our z-axis. We take global z-axis. There's no pressure is G, no concept. So it is 30. This is 60. Okay. Click on add. So it will get added. Close. So we see here some pressures acting over this one. So if we select this plate, okay. So this one is okay. Now if you see here, this is also okay. This is also okay, and this is, we have to change it to reverse direction. Okay, so and next this plate, this is also should be changed to GX and close. So after that, this side plate should be changed to GX. GX. GZ. Local Z.
Let me go in this video. So here the one has been online. So next what we will do is
we will be taking minus. So it will change the direction, right? Change. Okay. So for this also we have to give it as minus signs, right? So this one is minus. Change and close. So now again go to load cases, click on add, take as none, load case 3. Okay, so we're going to add the plate load. So it will be also some hydrostatic, right? Because people in the swimming pool will get always jumping, laughing, right? So I'm going to give this as separate plates. Right, click on OK. So about GY direction minus 60 to minus 100. On add and close. If we go over here, we can see, right? So now we will add for our these plates, right? The live load. Okay, go to load cases, click on add, on live, add and close. Like this, add and plate on floor load. Take it as minus 5. Using off how much? 3. Add and close. So we select like this. So it will. So we want like this, right? So go to load, add the none loads. Select the load. Go to plate on foot pressure. Take it as minus 5. GY direction. Add and close. Now select these plates. Select over here and select this one. Add the selected plates inside and yes. So if you go to our structure, so we have done everything of our loadings, right? So we can add the load combinations also, right? You see here we have given all our different hydrostatic loading conditions. So if you go to load, gonna add, you can define the load combinations of, select these two, select over here and add. So in the next time we're going to select these 3, select over here and add. See here, these are the load combinations, right? all our loading conditions, right? So it's time for the analysis. Go to add, close, and run analysis, and run analysis and save. So we are done with 0, 0, 0. Now go to post processing load, click on OK, and click on OK. So if you go to plates, so click on maximum absolute and click on OK. This is due to combination, this is due to date load, and if you see the animation over deflection, so this side it's going to be deflection to date load, and if you see the load case 2, 3, and if you see the combinations, so this is right. So after that, if you see the animations over stresses, so this is acting due to combinations of, so this is due to the season conditions. This is on the plates. These are the loadings and stating conditions. If we go to the reports, we will getting all the reports, right? So now we will design it. So go to modeling, click on design, concrete, there's 4.6, select parameters, deselect all, contested, instant and shear. And okay, define parameters, we're going to take as 1000. Bisectional, close, comments, add beam, add design column, add slab, add take off, add and close. Now we have to assign all these to our structure. Assign to view, assign others. For main, assign to view, assign others. Bisectional, assign to view, assign others. Design beam, select the beams. So design element, assign to view, assign others. So now again go to analysis and print, add and close. Analysis, run analysis and save. So now go to again post processing, click on OK. Go to beams, select the beams. So here you can see the concrete design. So here you can see the shear deflection, shear bending, everything we can see over here. If you go to this column, or if you see this column, here you can see the concrete design. So here we have number of bars, deflections, how it's going to take place. If you see here, so the concrete design over here. So what are the stresses acting over here? So everything we can see over here, right? So now we will go to our Staadpro report. So click on concrete design. So here we are getting all the bottom top reinforcement, and this is the beam, and this for the column reinforcements, and this is the overall concrete design we can see over here. So here we can see the number of bars and how much weight are there. So number of bars required, everything we can get over here. We can also print this report by clicking the print and click on OK, so it will be saved, right? So you can also see the stresses acting over at which part, and you can see the plates about maximum absolute. Click on OK. So we can see, if you double click on it, we can see the corner stresses and everything over here, right? So if you see 3D, so this is going to be our 2 swimming pool with staircase, right? It's a public swimming pool. So like this, we can see all the post processing animations, sectional displacements. So due to which load case, how much see here we have the displacement. So we have to change the dimensions of the beam, or we have to provide the additional steel, so that no failure will occur in the member, right? So this how we can model our this building, the swimming pools over here. in our Staadpro software. Thank you.